Imagine wandering through the cobbled streets of ancient cities or breathing in the crisp air of Alpine landscapes. Welcome to a grand voyage across Europe, where every corner offers a story and every view could be a painting. Today, we set out to explore the top 10 destinations that make Europe a treasure trove of experiences. From the romantic avenues of Paris to the serene canals of Venice, each destination is a unique blend of history, culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. These aren't just places, they are portals to the past and showcases of the present where the echoes of history meet modern-day vibrancy. As we take you through these enchanting locales, expect to see spectacular drone shots capturing the grandeur from above and high-quality videos that bring out the intricate details of each site. Whether it's the rugged cliffs of the Mediterranean or the lush greenery of ancient valleys, the visual journey will be as compelling as the destinations themselves. Join us as we embark on a journey through Europe's most breathtaking spots. First, we explore the romantic streets of Paris. Paris, a city where the very air breathes romance and every corner tells a story. Picture the majestic Eiffel Tower, not just a feat of engineering, but a symbol of love that lights up the Parisian skyline every evening with its golden glow. Stroll a little further, and the Louvre awaits, guarding priceless treasures like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo, its glass pyramid juxtaposing the ancient with the modern in perfect harmony. But Paris isn't just about landmarks, it's about the experience. Imagine sitting at a quaint cafe, sipping on rich espresso or enjoying a flaky croissant as artists capture the bustling life of the city on their canvases. This cafe culture, intertwined with the city's artistic soul, has inspired legends from Hemingway to Picasso. From its historic lanes to its modern flair, Paris holds a piece of everyone's heart. Next, glide through the serene canals of Venice. As your boat slips quietly along the water, the reflection of pastel buildings dances on the surface, creating a mesmerizing tableau. Here, every narrow alleyway and sprawling piazza tells a story, each more intriguing than the last. Looming majestically over the cityscape is St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. Its ornate details and shimmering gold mosaics are a testament to Venice's opulent past. Not far from here, the Rialto Bridge arches gracefully over the Grand Canal, a bustling artery of the city that pulses with life from dawn till dusk. However, Venice faces its challenges. The city is in a constant battle with flooding, a plight that threatens its very foundation. Preservation efforts are in full swing, striving to protect this floating marvel from the ravages of water and time. Innovative solutions, such as the Mose project, aim to keep the rising tides at bay and secure the future of this architectural wonder. Venice, a city that literally floats on history, continues to captivate the hearts of travelers. Step back in time with a visit to Athens, the cradle of civilization. Here, the whispers of history resonate through the bustling streets and ancient ruins. The Acropolis, a symbol of classical spirit, stands proudly over the city. Its crowning glory, the Parthenon, serves as a testament to the architectural and cultural prowess of ancient Greece. As you wander through these historic sites, you're walking the same paths where philosophers like Plato and Aristotle debated ideas that would shape the Western world. Democracy was born here, in the assembly gatherings of the Agora, where citizens first voiced their rights. Local myths add a layer of enchantment to these relics. Imagine the goddess Athena, protector of the city, and her rival Poseidon, clashing over the patronage of this revered land. These tales are not just stories, they are the heartbeat of Athens, echoing through the ages. In Athens, every stone tells a story of gods and heroes. Now, ascend to the snowy peaks of Zermatt. Nestled in the Swiss Alps, this village serves as a gateway to the iconic Matterhorn, one of the most photographed mountains in the world. Here, the air is as crisp as the untouched snow underfoot, offering pristine conditions for skiing and mountaineering enthusiasts. Zermatt itself is a car-free haven, ensuring that its alpine air remains as pure as the driven snow. Wander through its quaint streets, and you'll feel a sense of timelessness, as if the modern world has gently tiptoed around this cozy village. Its wooden chalets, adorned with flower boxes, contribute to a postcard-perfect scene. Local cuisine here is a hearty affair. Think raclette and fondue, which warm you from the inside out, a perfect end to a day on the slopes. Traditions run deep, with folklore often celebrated in vibrant festivals that bring the community and visitors together in a spirited display of Alpine culture. Zermatt offers not just a mountain retreat, but a high-altitude adventure. Dive into the artistic soul of Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Here, every cobblestone and corner whispers tales of artistic revolution and dramatic shifts in human thought. The Uffizi Gallery, a treasure trove nestled in the heart of the city, houses some of the most pivotal works of art. From Botticelli's Primavera to Da Vinci's Annunciation, these masterpieces not only depict beauty, but also tell the story of a vibrant era of artistic rebirth. Stroll a little further and you encounter Michelangelo's David, a symbol of Florence's enduring spirit and a testament to human potential and beauty. This iconic sculpture, standing over 14 feet tall, captures the essence of Renaissance idealism and the city's unyielding pursuit of perfection. Florence was not just a canvas for painters, it was a stage for power plays and intellectual discourse. The Medici family, patrons of the arts, and Dante, the father of the Italian language, both shaped the political and cultural landscapes of their time. Florence remains a beacon of art and culture that continues to inspire. Wander through the fairytale streets of Prague. Here, every cobblestone whispers stories of the past, each corner a canvas of architectural mastery. As you meander, the Gothic spires of the city's skyline reach for the skies with an elegance that defies the ages. Prague Castle looms majestically, its vast courtyards and palatial structures a testament to centuries of history. Cross the storied Charles Bridge and feel the pulse of centuries underfoot. The statues lining its path gaze solemnly, custodians of history watching over the Vltava River's gentle flows. This bridge, a marriage of utility and art, has stood the test of time, witnessing the evolution of this vibrant city. Prague's cultural scene is as lively as its streets are quiet. From the harmonious strings of classical music that spill from ornate concert halls to the bold strokes of contemporary art that adorn the city's modern galleries, Prague celebrates an unbroken chain of artistic endeavor. Prague's enchanting streets echo with the melodies of history and modernity. Next, experience the whimsical architecture of Barcelona. As you wander through the city's streets, it's as though you've stepped into a dream crafted by Antoni Gaudí himself. At the heart of this dream is the Sagrada Familia, a basilica that combines Gothic and curvilinear Art Nouveau forms. Its towering spires and intricate facades are not just a sight to behold, but a story in stone, slowly narrated over more than a century of construction. Not far from this monumental work, Park Güell offers a colorful escape. Here, serpentine benches swirl around vibrant mosaics, and the organic shapes of the structures seem to grow from the earth itself. This park is less a creation of man and more a dialogue between art and nature. Every corner of Barcelona speaks of a bold blend of Gothic roots and modernist innovation, brought to life during vibrant festivals that fill the streets with music and color. Barcelona is a canvas of architectural innovation and vibrant street life. Scene script: sail north to the cozy streets of Copenhagen. In the heart of Denmark, Copenhagen is a city where design meets functionality, creating an enviable urban space. It's a place where the bicycle is king, with more bikes than cars, painting a picture of a city in motion, yet at peace. The winding streets and the waterfronts echo with the rhythm of two wheels on cobblestone. Dive into the Danish design scene, celebrated globally for its clean lines and innovation. Here, every cafe, public space, and corner seems to have been crafted with intention and simplicity. A visit to Copenhagen wouldn't be complete without experiencing the whimsy of Tivoli Gardens, an amusement park that blends the thrill of rides with the beauty of lush gardens. Or the serene gaze of the Little Mermaid statue, a tribute to Hans Christian Andersen's Fairytale, perched delicately by the sea. And let's not forget, Copenhagen is the capital of hygge, that quintessential Danish concept of coziness and contentment, intertwined with a commitment to sustainability. Copenhagen mixes fairy tales with contemporary cool. Lastly, revel in the imperial grandeur of Vienna. As you wander through the cobblestone streets of this majestic city, the echoes of musical legends such as Mozart and Beethoven are almost palpable in the air. Vienna, a city that once formed the heart of the mighty Habsburg Empire, continues to celebrate its illustrious past through its profound musical heritage. Venture further and find yourself at the gates of the Schönbrunn Palace, with its stunning Baroque architecture and expansive gardens that whisper tales of centuries-old royal extravaganzas. Not far from here, the Vienna State Opera stands as a beacon of classical music, hosting some of the most spectacular performances the opera world has to offer. No visit to Vienna would be complete without experiencing its renowned coffee culture. Step into a traditional Viennese coffee house and let the blend of aromatic coffee and the charm of old-world decor transport you to another era. Vienna wraps up our journey with its rich cultural tapestry and imperial charm.